Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to my channel Manifest with Kavita. I'm Dr. Kavita Kumar, and today on Thoughtful Thursday, I wanted to continue the series of Control Your Mind by giving you a very powerful tool to control the mind along with the emotions. So, before you understand how emotions work, let's understand the physicality of the body. So, I don't know if you guys are aware of, if you heard it before, that every body, every human being, every body is split into two parts. So the right side is said to be your creative side, your motivational side, and the left side of the body is said to be the emotional side. So it's basically the masculine and the feminine side, or the sun channel and the moon channel. And these, when blocked, can cause those emotional and mental imbalances, and that's how we react to certain situations. So alongside trying to gain control over the mind, we should also be able to control the emotions as well. And today I just want to give you a very quick and powerful hack, a tool that you can do it anywhere you want to. As soon as you feel emotional, you feel stressed, you feel anxiety, you feel anything that's trying to stop you or pull you back, just practice this for 5 minutes. Whenever during the day, you will see immediate change and shift in the energies within your body. So now that we are clear with the right side and the left side of the body, so right being the sun channel and the left being the moon channel, the masculine, feminine, and this being the motivational side, like this side, if it is clear when you breathe, if you see, check if it is clear, which means your motivational side, the spirit that keeps you up in the morning, like yes, let's do this kind of spirit, is active. And if it is blocked for any reason, you'll find yourself, check whenever during the day you find yourself less motivated, just check if that channel is blocked. If it is, then a little bit of motivation or creativity is lacking. If the other side is, which means you are stressed, you are depressed, you're feeling anxious or worried about something, you'll find this side, the left side of your nose, blocked. At any given point, you would find that you either breathe from the right or the left side. But if you have both in balance, if both are open, you are in perfect balance with the mind and your emotions. So let's go in detail of how you can balance your emotions. So because this channel is the one, the left side is the one you need it to be open so that you can control the emotions, what you're going to do is use your thumb and hold the right nostril. So you breathe in from the left side, holding your right, and you breathe in really sharp inside. If it is blocked, just try to blow out a little bit, it will open up a bit. But once it is a little bit open, because it's blocked, that's why you want to keep it open, right? So just hold it, keep it here, and then just take a deep inhale and hold as long as you can. So here it goes. So you hold it as long as you can, and then you switch and you breathe out from the right side. So you want to continue the cycle at least 10 to 20 times whenever you feel that emotional block. So you hold the left side, breathe in from the left, release, hold, release from the right, holding the left side. If you want to use both your hands, you can. I just switch using my thumb finger and my ring finger. So hold it, breathe in, hold the breath, and then you release it from the right side. This you would only do for releasing the emotions. Now similarly, if you want to open the right side, you do the same thing. You hold the left, breathe in, hold, and then release from the left. But for the emotions, it's always going to be your left side. So try this little quick hack and you will see how it really helps you to maintain that emotional balance through the day, during the day, anytime you want. You can do this and you can be in perfect balance with your emotions at any given point of time. So just take a few deep breaths and then practice this, and you will find yourself gaining more clarity on the emotional side, or at least you gain that control over your emotions because your channel is open. You will be able to connect with your emotions a lot more, and it will help you in focusing on what is needed rather than being scattered within your mind and within your emotions. And how you can stop the mind chatter, I covered it in my previous video. If you haven't watched it, please do watch it. You would know how to control your mind, and now you know how to control your emotions as well. Hope you found this video helpful. Let me know in the comments below how this little hack helped you, and I will see you guys in my next video. And hey, if you're new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe and the like button. So guys, you know what you need to do. Continue to inspire, be inspired, and get inspired along with me on this journey. I will see you guys in my next episode. Until then, love and light.